This video will walk you through the process of elimination to figure out which neighborhood the information in the chart is from. So using the thematic maps of the federal districts in Mexico City, we're going to start off with the percentage of homes with water. So if I'm looking at the thematic map for homes with water, 55% falls in the dotted range. So I'm going to cross off any neighborhood that is striped or dark gray. Okay, now the next map I'm going to look at is going to be the population over 15 with an education. So 57% is once again going to be striped. So I need to cross off anything that is light gray, and it was already crossed off. Anything dotted, and anything that is black or dark gray. So this eliminated a couple additional places, but it also took out places that were already crossed off. So now let's go to population density. If it's under 15,000 people, it's going to be the light gray. So we would need to cross off anything that is striped, anything that's dotted, and anything that is dark gray. So our last category is going to be the green space per person. So if it is 18 square feet, it's going to be the light gray, so I can cross out anything that is striped. Anything that is dotted. And anything that is dark gray. This leaves us with a single neighborhood. So neighborhood number 8 is where the information comes from. And if I look over on the other map, the name of this neighborhood is Magdalena Contreras. To determine the standard of living, you're going to want to look at one of 4 maps: homes with good materials, education beyond primary school, homes with water, and the ratio of the population to the number of police, not just the number of police. So for this example, let's look at percentage of homes with water. So you see 4 different possibilities: the light gray, the stripe, the dotted, and the dark gray. So based on this, we can kind of say that under 65% is going to be lower class. Over 65% is going to be upper class, which leaves 2 that are middle class. This is lower middle class, and this is upper middle class. So these are describing class. But what if we didn't want to talk about class? If we just wanted to talk about standard of living, then this would be a low standard of living, and this would be a high standard of living. Now, these numbers are not an exact science. You have to look at all the information for a neighborhood to make the determination, and then you would support it with evidence from the maps.